Hi, beautiful soul. Thank you so much for joining me. This is your time to slow down, to feel safe, to feel loved. Welcome to Shine and Breathe. Come to a comfortable seated position, or you can lie down. Closing your eyes, clearing your mind, coming into this present moment. Inhale, let your belly expand. Exhale, belly toward the spine. Breathe in and out of your nose. Taking deep, cleansing breaths. Filling your breath as nourishment to your body. Take a scan of your body, being aware of tension or stress that you're holding. And send your breath into those areas. Visualize it dissolving away, lovingly releasing. Starting to feel relaxed. Breathing in love. Letting it flow through all the cells of your being. Breathing out anything that is unlike love. Anything holding you back from moving forward. Inhale love. Exhale, release anything that no longer serves you or your highest good. Breathing in love, feeling your body relax on the exhale. Feel your heart open. Deep in the center of your heart is an infinite well of love. Allow that love to overflow. You are exactly where you need to be. Feeling love in every cell of your being. Affirming, I am loved. I am love. Love surrounds me. Love feels me. I am safe in love. I am lovable. I deserve love. I am open to giving and receiving unconditional love. I send love to others. Love shines from my heart. I am love, and I am loved. Feel love growing like a warm light inside your chest, glowing brighter with every breath. Glowing brighter with each kind thought. I think love. I speak love. I feel love. I am love. I am love in human form. I am deeply loved just as I am. Visualize a soft pink light now glowing in your heart. It's warm and gentle, pure divine love. With every breath, the light gets bigger and brighter. The pink light glows through your chest, into your arms, to your neck and head, through your abdomen and into your legs and feet. Your whole body, your entire being glowing pink. Wrapped in love. Extending out into your aura. Allowing this love to touch everyone that comes into your space, into the room that you're in. Your love is so powerful. Your love can heal. Let's send some love bombs. You can picture someone you love in front of you, a friend, a pet, a family member. See this glowing pink light getting bigger and brighter at your heart, and then send this love to them. Surrounding their entire being, filling them with this healing love. Love flows from your heart to theirs. Your love is a gift. Feeling grateful that you're able to share this love. Feeling grateful for all the healing that love provides. Taking a deep cleansing breath, coming back into your present moment, back into your space. Feeling grateful, full of love. You're ready to give yourself all of this love through your thoughts, through your actions, and share it with others. Thank you so much for sharing this space with me. The divinity within me sees and honors the divinity within you. Namaste.